Anthony Gensler, an Army veteran and father of two, was remembered as a lion of a man. A California community is mourning a firefighter known for his dedication to helping others and his unusually large mustache. Anthony Gonzalez, a father of two, died after a cardiac event on Monday, March 17, according to a statement posted by the Fremont Fire Department on Instagram. Gensler, who joined the department in 2019, was off duty when he experienced the medical emergency in Elk Grove, according to the fire department statement. At 10:45 a.m. local time on March 17, the fire chief of the Elk Grove Fire Department notified Fremont's fire chief Zoraida Diaz that Gensler had died. He was a loved and cherished member of our organization. Deputy Fire Chief Heather Mosdian tells people of the 42-year-old firefighter who served on the department's Special Operations Task Force. As for his statement making facial hair, Mosdian says that Gensler was one of the many firefighters in the department who grew out their mustaches for November, an event held across the US in November to raise awareness about men's health issues. Anthony's was probably the best mustache that we have had, she said. It's memorialized in his last department photo. Besides his iconic mustache, Gensler was also known for his kindness. Anthony was a lion of a man with a warm personality and a great sense of humor, a formidable stature, and an often outrageously large mustache, wrote the Fremont Firefighters Association IAFF Local 1689 on Instagram on March 18. He was a loving husband to Aaron, a devoted father to Savannah and Abigail, and a cherished member of our fire family. His warmth and humor made him universally loved by all he worked with, and his passing is an immeasurable loss for our organization, the association said. Even though he had a short life, he had a long devotion to public service, adds Mosdian. His death leaves a really big hole in our department. Gensler's fellow firefighters and the association have organized a GoFundMe to support his family. Other fire departments have posted tributes to Gensler. The Cozumel Fire Department wrote on Facebook on March 19 that his loss is deeply felt throughout the firefighting community. They added his dedication, service, and commitment to protecting others will never be forgotten. Gensler's memorial service is scheduled for Thursday, March 27, according to a tribute posted by the California Fire Foundation.